Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve 49% by 7% equal what percent. So what people make mistake, they cancel out the percent with percent and 49 by 7 as 7 their answer. But they forget that here is percent sign also. They want their answer in terms of percent. So here 49% by 7%, we calculate it. You can write 49 by 100 by 7 by 100 and which is equals to 49 times 100 by 7 times 100 and it will cancel out give 7, but we want our answer in terms of percentage, so to convert this 7 into percentage, multiply with 100%. So how 100% is equals to 100 multiply the symbol percentage means 1 by 100. So it is equals to 1 only, so we can multiply with 100%. So if you want your answer in percentage, so multiply with 100%. So your answer is 700%. So what is the correct answer? 700%. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next